Hi, my name is Jesse Clark, and I'm a developer on the Rootstock blockchain. Rootstock is an EVM-compatible blockchain that's pegged one-to-one with Bitcoin. So you get the security of Bitcoin while also being able to run Ethereum smart contracts. Today, I'm excited to walk you through the RIF Wallet, an open-source modular crypto wallet that uses account abstraction to allow your users to pay their gas fees in an ERC20 token. I'm going to show you some of the key features at a very high level, but if you have any questions, please feel free to get in touch. Let's get started. So on the left here, we can see we have our wallet, and on the right, I have the RIF faucet. We're going to set up a wallet here, and we're going to view our mnemonic, and we're going to make sure that we write this down. We can choose to secure later. However, I'm going to show you the steps of securing now. So the app asks us for 2 random words, in this case, the 6th word and the 10th word. The user has verified the 2 words as part of the mnemonic, meaning that there's a good chance that they wrote it down. We're going to close these windows here, and we can see that we have an empty wallet. So everything we're doing today is going to be on testnet. This just makes it easier for me to demo things. On the right, in my browser here, we have the RIF faucet. I have copied my address from the RIF wallet, and I will paste it into the faucet. We're going to give this about 30 seconds. To see the balance in the RIF wallet. We can now see that the transaction is successful. On the right-hand side, we see the Explorer with the transaction. And in our wallet, we now have 100 RIF. I mentioned before that the RIF wallet allows users to pay their fees in an ERC20 token. In this case, I'm going to demo this in RIF. Now, the way this works is you have a mnemonic, and that mnemonic generates an address. We call this the EOA address, or externally owned account. This externally owned account then deploys a smart contract, and that smart contract becomes the place where users keep their assets. So we can deterministically guess what the address is, and therefore I can receive money, or tokens, to that address before it's deployed. However, for a user to be able to send assets out of their wallet, they need to first deploy the smart contract, which is what we're doing here. Now that the smart contract is deployed, the user can send tokens out of it. In this case, we're going to send RIF back to my MetaMask address. We pasted the address from my browser here, and we're sending 10 RIF. We can see here that we're sending 10, and then the fees are 2.24. So basically what is happening is I'm going to send myself, my MetaMask account, 10 RIF, and then that 2.24, the RIF relay server is going to take a cut for paying the gas on our behalf. Users can also use the contacts feature to save addresses or RNS domains that they send to frequently. Any address input in the RIF wallet, whether it's on the contact screen or the send screen, can also take an RNS domain name to make it easier for users to interact and send value. I've done a few transactions in the app now, as you can see from the history here, but I also wanted to let you know that it can accept other tokens. So by default, it's dual chain, supporting both Rootstock and Bitcoin. And in this case, I've also set myself some test coin. At a very high level, this is the RIF wallet using RIF Relay. In the future, we plan on offering other variations, such as an EOA version and a seedless onboarding. You can learn more information about these and other projects at rif.technology. And if you have any questions, please feel free to get in touch. Thanks.